Heart auscultation. The heart is auscultated at 5 auscultation points. The first auscultation point is the mitral valve. The mitral valve is here at the apex beat area. The apex beat is located in the fifth intercostal space, 1 to 2 cm inside the mid-clavicular line. The second auscultation point is the aortic valve, auscultated in the second intercostal space to the right of the sternum. The third auscultation point is the pulmonary valve. It is here in the second intercostal space to the left of the sternum. The fourth auscultation point is the tricuspid valve. It is located at the base of the xiphoid process. Fifth auscultation point, additional aortic valve auscultation point or Botkin's-Erbo point. It is located at the area of heartbeat, which is in the third intercostal space of the left of the sternum. The auscultation is based on the rule of 8. The first valve to be heard in the mitral valve, the aortic valve, then the pulmonary valve, the tricuspid valve, and the last is Botkin's-Erb point.